Long ago, the rainforest was ruled by the Chickenites. It was said they ruled over the rainforest for centuries. But then, one day, Pigor's chicken army came rolling in, seeking after the sacred chicken. Legend has it that if this sacred chicken is consumed, it will grant you unlimited chicken and cash. This artifact hasn't been found until today.
I said, that's not a camel, that's my wife. Wait a minute. Isn't this where we were searching for the lost chicken?
Guys, keep an eye out. You never know what you might see out here.
According to my map, there should be a squirrel statue.
There it is.
Oh, watch out, watch out! What the heck is that thing, Kira? A stink worm?
Hell.
Oh my god!
Horrible.
Alright guys, come on, let's keep going.
My phone isn't working.
She's at it again.
Seriously, again with the phone? Kids these days.
Here comes the chicken.
What the heck?
Here comes the chicken. Parrot.
It's a parrot.
Oh. Must be close to the chicken.
Yeah, we gotta beat Pigor there.
What's that?
Oh my gosh!
It appears that there is a swing. Must have been a booby trap. Whoa, what's over here?
It's a snake. Guys, let's just go under it.
Okay, everyone stay calm. Whoa.
This has to be it.
My phone's not working. It's a Chinese.
Whoa, a Chinese pink monkey?
I heard they're super rare.
Then they must be sus.
Oh, it's so funny. It's so cute. Oh no!
What the heck just happened?
Let's get.
What animal is that, Kira?
It's a toxic dog.
Oh, toxic slug.
Slug. Oh no, we need to help
Megan,
him
we need the
fast.
medic. Megan, we need the medic.
I got it.
Oh. Haley, you okay?
There you go. Wear this.
That was fast.
You okay, Haley?
Alright. Now you gotta keep it on, okay?
Oh. Whoa, this must be the temple.
You guys hear that?
Yeah.
I thought we were the only ones here.
Looks like Igor is here.
He's right in front of us.
Surprise!
What are you doing here?
Same thing as you.
You must be here for the chicken.
That's right.
We're gonna get it first.
I don't think so.
Guys,
What?
Guys, look, there's the chicken in the temple. Okay. Careful, Haley, you never know what could happen. Be careful. Oh my gosh, it fell! It's okay. It must be one of the booby traps. Yep.
we got the chicken.
What do we do now? Can I keep this?
How about I eat it?
I want to keep this. I want to eat it. Well, I'm keeping it so too bad.
Ah!